Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying hardware and software, so split screen doesn't fail later. Plug in 2 controllers or connect 2 devices via Bluetooth. This provides separate inputs for players. Open Roblox Studio or the player and sign in, then load the game you want to run locally. Once done, enable any local server or private server options for testing. This gives you control of player spawning and camera behavior. Make these initial checks now, so the next steps work predictably. Next, you set up the multiple player views and camera control that create split screen. Duplicate or adapt player scripts so each connected controller gets a unique player instance. Then adjust player GUI to create separate viewports or screen GUIs for each user. Make sure to set camera mode to scriptable or explicitly set camera type per player so cameras do not fight. Once each player has a dedicated viewport and camera, you can program layout anchors, left/right or top/bottom, to split the display cleanly. Finally, you complete and validate the split screen experience by testing and optimizing. Launch the game locally with both controllers connected and confirm each player spawns and controls their assigned camera. Look for UI overlap and adjust anchors or Z-index as needed. If performance dips, reduce draw distance, lower texture quality, or cull parts per viewport to keep frame rates stable. If one screen is blank, immediately verify that the player object was created and the camera was assigned to that player. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.